Now, let's decorate the second tier. We start by rolling out our fondant and cutting out some stripes. Now, the stripe I am cutting out is what I'm going to use to decorate the windows. Now, on those windows, we have things like stripe. Now, all the windows are covered, both the body and the windows are covered in pink color. So I'm going to be using the white stripe to create a difference between the window and the body of the house. Note that the stripe you are going to create in this case must not be bigger than the windows. Remember that the stripe measurement of the windows is ½ inch. So everything I am cutting here must not exceed ½ inch. By so doing, it will match perfectly well on the vertical lines of the windows. With your brush, apply your glue on the lines, okay, on the vertical lines. And the glue I am using here is CMC and water glue, okay. Now begin to position each stripe according to the lines on the window, making sure to cut them according to the shape, the curvy shape of the window, okay. Every stripe on the window, you must line a stripe of the white fondant. This is what you are going to do until you go around the cake. Note, I tried as much as possible to make sure that the stripes are not very thick but very light. So you have to roll out your fondant to be very flat before cutting out. After arranging the stripes on the front window, I'm going to be doing the rest behind camera. Now, after arranging them, I'm going to be rolling out a sausage, a tiny sausage for the side, all the partitions, okay, on the outside. So I'm going to arrange a tiny sausage at the edges of the house. And this sausage is going to be on pink color, but lighter pink. After rolling it, all you need to do is to apply a little liquid, that is your gum, and then position it there. After that, begin to arrange some short stripe from the beginning of the edge to the end, giving little space in between. You will repeat the same thing with the rest of the edges, okay. After this, you are now going to cut some short slab, a kind of the same stripe shape, okay, but this time you are doing crossing on the windows. So you are going to cross it, maybe put about 4 crossing or 5 crossing depending on the length of the window you created. And after that, you are going to envelop all of them with a round fondant. That is, you are going to round the entire window with another line of a stripe fondant. Now for the door, you are also going to be arranging the edges of the door the same way you arrange the partitions, okay? Next, for the entrance of the door, we are going to be using frosted PVC again. First of all, you take your measurement of the door. It shouldn't just match the door, it should be a little bit bigger than the door. If it is the same size with the door, it will fall in. So a little bit bigger than the door is okay. So you now rub your gum and then attach it to the door. After that, you get another long stripe fondant. Now when you are placing it, you place it halfway on top of the frosted PVC and halfway on top of the wall. Now for the edge of the door, you repeat the same thing you have done on the other edges. Now the rest will be done behind camera as I have showed you how to attach all the designs. Okay, the next thing now is with our gun glue, you begin to attach your handrail on top of the house, just the same way you attached it on the base cake. Okay. The decoration continues until you go round. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.